What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a day trading recap. That's right, we traded today. Check it out. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right on into this video. We have a lot to cover, so I'm going to try to condense this as much as possible and move right through this video as smoothly as possible, okay? Now, we're going to cover some of yesterday's action, we're going to cover some overall macro stuff, and we're going to cover some small caps. So, I mean, we got a lot to cover here today, guys, alright? I'm going to show you my orders from yesterday and today. And we're going to go ahead and get through that. But before we do me that quick favor while I have a little bit of this Cuban coffee, because coffee's for closers. Make sure to smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you traded today. Now, let's go ahead and jump into this video. So, GLBS, shippers are moving today. Let's go ahead and get a chart out here so you can see GLBS. And look at this. GLBS is up 106% currently, and what we have here is GLBS has gone from these 50 cent area up here to a high day of $1.14, $1.15 actually, high day. So that's an interesting one because we haven't seen shippers make a move in forever. CTRM's the next one, and here it is. CTRM is up 60%. Oh wow, nasty fade. Man, CTRM made a real nice move. This is a real clean move off of VWAP right here. Real nice push off of the open, consolidation, bounced off of VWAP, and it went from 208 to 250. That's a nice move there. Could have caught some profit there, but then look at that. That's nasty. And why did we fade it? So a lot of times when I'm trading, obviously all the time, I'm looking at the daily. Okay, so if I were to see this after the fact, not during the trade, after the fact, I'm wondering, why did we reject so nasty up there, right? Now, you want to see why we rejected so nasty up there? That is the $2.59 area, give or take. Boom. Right in front of the 200-day moving average. And look at that nasty rejection all the way back down here under its 50-day. Nasty rejection there. So those shippers were moving today. NIO, which was yesterday, was a monster mover. Check this out right here. If we can get this chart to load, here we go. Look at NIO. I'm sorry, INO. I'm sorry, I was like, what? That's not it. NIO's not doing well either. But INO, here we go. Look at yesterday. We gapped up in the morning, consolidated sideways, and then right before the close, like around 2:30 here, we started to get that huge move, and this thing went from $5 and change all the way up to $9 in after hours. And this morning, right before the bell, it pulled in, then it bounced off of the $7-8 area, $7.98 area, right back to previous morning pre-market high of 930s, and then look at that, boom. Rejection all the way back down. That is nasty action, and I am glad I have not been trading these because, man, they're rejecting hard. They are rejecting hard. Look at the 5-minute here. You'll have a little bit of a better picture there. Look at that right here. Pre-market highs, new high a day, rejection. Lost what? Almost 2 points. Yeah, 2 points. Good Lord. That is nasty right there. Then you have the SPY. Now, let's talk a little bit about the overall market. Yesterday, the Fed came out and they cut interest rates by 50 basis points, okay? And they did this out of nowhere, like out of nowhere. Let me see if I can scroll back here enough. No, I cannot. Maybe on the 1 hour chart. Well, yeah, here we go. This is yesterday's action right here, I think. No, this is the 1 hour chart, the daily chart. Here we go. Okay, so yesterday we opened up and the market started to pull itself in. You see it right there, started to pull itself in. Let me see if I can make this a little bigger. There we go. Move me over here. Started to pull itself in, and out of nowhere, the Fed came out with that 50 basis point cut on interest rates, and the market just rallied. Boom, all the way up here to 3130s on the E-minis. Okay, the SPY, look at what the SPY did. This was insane. And we're going to talk about this here. Watch, I just want to show you this chart real quick. That's kind of small. I was hoping you could see that there on the 15-minute, but let's pull out the 5-minute here real quick. Maybe we can catch it on the 5-minute. Yeah, there we go. It's comical, guys. Look at this. Market opens up, starts to pull in. It had gapped up a little, starts to pull it in, okay? And then the Fed out of nowhere announces the 50, and out of nowhere, because there was a Fed meeting scheduled this month, but they didn't wait until then, okay? They announced a 50-point basis cut on interest rates, and the SPY went from 305, well, honestly, from 304.80 all the way up to, what is this, 313.75. Monster move. I'm just so happy that I was not in any short position on anything, and I was just watching. I was actually looking through the broker that I'm probably going to start using for futures trading. I was looking through their demo account and just, fiddling with the settings and whatnot. And I had my charts up with the live data, because they give you free live data for 14 days. And I saw that thing just like boom. Like, it was insane. Like, that thing moved 85 points. Okay. If you're in an E-mini and that thing moves 85 points, okay, each point is $50. I think that's like $4,500 bucks or something like that. So 85 points times $50, $4,250 in either direction. If you were long, you would have scored a major win. If you were short, then it would have been a nasty, bloody, situation. But the Fed, they had no reason to make that cut yesterday. Honestly, look, I'm no economist, but I have common sense. If the economy, which is currently still strong, okay, and we're still, job numbers are good, real estate numbers are good, like, everything is good. Why would you cut 50 basis points this month like that? Like, out of nowhere. Now, if things get out of control later down the line, between factory shutdowns and industrials getting shut down, and retailers shutting down, etc., for X amount of time due to coronaviruses, companies shutting down, like, of course that's going to hurt, Q1, Q2 earnings, okay? And that's going to hurt the GDP. Of course, we understand this. At that point in time, you would have had, some meat on the bone left to cut. But right now they cut 50 basis points. There's nothing left to cut. There's nothing left to cut. You're putting yourselves between a rock and a hard place. I criticize it. I'm no economist, like I said, and I'm no financial professional, but I have common sense. And common sense tells me that at most they should have, if they were going to do a cut, they could have cut 25 points. They could have not cut anything and waited. But this is what they did. This is the nature of the beast, and the market didn't care because it took it all right back yesterday. It rallied and then it took it all right back. And yesterday was an awesome day. I'll show you my orders. Yesterday I made $303. I tweeted the screenshot along with my orders, but in case you don't follow me on Twitter, I will show you my orders here. And if you don't follow me on Twitter, what are you doing? Link in the description section below. Make sure you follow me on Twitter. Also, check out Webull. Link in the description section below. Download the app. Fund your account. Get 2 free stocks. Sell them. Go out to lunch. Or buy whatever you want, because it's free money. And who says no to free money? Link in the description section below to Webull. So make sure you take advantage of that. Now, here are my orders for yesterday. Let's see. Can I zoom them? Oh, yeah. Here we go. Can you see them all good right there? Yeah, you can. Okay. So there we go. So... let's see here. This was probably my first order of the day. Actually, no. Yes, it was. I got short 30.68, covered 30.72, lost money right there out of the gates. I was in the hole, not happy. My next follow-up trade, I went short. Yeah, I went short 30.72.50, covered 30.67. Now remember, like I said, each point is $50. So 30.72, so you have an idea, 30.72.50 minus 30.67, okay, and yes, I'm using a calculator because I need to be quick in the video, is $5.50. So that's 5.50 points times $50 per point. That was a $275 trade there, okay? Then got back in 30.54.25 short, covered 30.52.50, another couple points there. Then got back in again at 29.88 short and I covered at 29.84.25 for another few points there. So yesterday was a banner day. I was really happy with yesterday. You know, it took 1, 2, 3, 4 trades, was only red on one, and well into the green by the end of the day. So I was really happy with that action there. Now, I didn't get to record it, like I said, because I'm still using this Charles Schwab. And Charles Schwab, you know, you already saw on what was it, Monday's video, there's a delay there by the time I click buy before it populates the orders on the chart here, so you can see them, and it's just a cluster. So I'm probably gonna I guess you see the secret there. I'm probably gonna move over to Ninja. I'm testing their software now. So throughout the day and at night, I'm messing around with that software and figuring it out and seeing. And so far, guys, I like it. But I'm gonna withhold my full opinion until I use the live version for a little while, and then I'm going to do a review for you guys. So if I go with Ninja, I'm still looking at other ones too. And then today, here are my orders for today. This is what I made today. 115 bucks. Will it show? Let's see here. Boom. There we go. $115.50. And again, started off the day red. Not happy. Got short 30.45, but I covered it real quick at 30.46.75. So that was a small loss. Then I reshorted here at 30.48.50, covered at 30.45.75, couple points there, like 3 points or so, not bad. Then again, I got short at 30.65.50, but I got covered at 30.65.75. So I only lost 25 cents there. That equals to $12.50. Very tiny loss. Then I finally got a decent one here, and I got short 30.63.75, covered at 30.61.75. So that was a nice win, and I'll show you that one here on the 3-minute chart because it's still fresh in my mind, so I remember exactly where it was. So I got short, wait, let's see those numbers again, because I know I was in this move right here. I just want to make sure where it was. So 30.63.75, 30.63.75. So in this candle right here. In this candle right here, I got short, you know, seeing we had the rejection of the double top, using these areas here as potentially my stops. You know, this is resistance here. We have resistance down here at 362 previous. So I was just looking for a quick scalp, you know, 30.63 in, and then I covered it at 30.61.75, expecting we might get a little bounce there in that 30.60 area. So but we didn't. I mean, I guess we should have held on a little bit longer because I would have taken a beastly win right there. But that was it, guys. That was it. And as you can tell, look, very choppy action. Market open, market dumped. Market rallied back up, double topped, dumped. Now we chopped back up. Now we went back down. Now we're chopping back up. Very choppy action. I don't feel it right now. I'm not feeling too safe in there. So I'm probably just going to mess with the Ninja demo for a while. You know, keep figuring out the software, going through it, seeing what I like, what I don't like, and maybe make a final decision there, because I really want to start to get those trades up live recorded for you, where you can actually see everything. You know, me clicking the buttons just like you've seen me before. Now, I haven't traded any small caps in a while. I wish I would have traded INO yesterday, but it really wasn't on my radar, and I'm still trying to figure out where to move my monies to this futures broker, and then arrange my maybe probably a cash account or something with Charles Schwab, so I can trade equities there, because I fully left E-Trade, gone from them, don't want to even see them. I know you probably saw an E-Trade ad on this video, but I'm unhappy with E-Trade, but very happy with my trading and my consistency. If you haven't seen it, just go to my Twitter. You're going to see how I've been posting up my orders. My trading consistency has really improved tremendously from February into March, and I'm super stoked and happy about that. Let me know how you're doing. Remember to drop it in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel. I know that a lot of you are watching and you're not subscribing. Subscribe to the channel really helps me out. Hit the like button, really helps me out, and comment in the comment section below. You have no idea, when you do this perfect trifecta, you feed the YouTube algorithm overlords, and they're happy, and they push my channel, and we all grow together. Hope to see you tomorrow, and I'll catch you on the next one.